Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on a few pieces for our last few days for summer. We can still, where I live it's not going to get cold right now, so I can still wear these pieces. So they're from the company Stylewe. So if you want to see what I have and how they fit, the sizes, the material, and so on and so forth, then stay tuned. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing try on haul today for you guys. The company is called Stylewe. So let me just give you some information about Stylewe. Stylewe was founded in 2015 and it's an online multi-designer brand featuring independent fashion designers. Alrighty, and they are committed to providing customers with original and high quality and exclusive fashion products from independent designers. So they were kind enough to send me over a few pieces to try on for you guys today. So I'm going to be trying them on. I hope that you enjoy the video. Please remember to like the video and share and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload. So stay tuned to see what I have. So the first dress I have is this blue dress. It comes in about maybe 6 different colors. It's for $41.99. So this one has like a knot in the front, and I'm gonna flip my camera to show you guys that it's $41.99. It ranges from size extra small to XX large. So no matter what size you are, they should have something to fit you. It's 6% spandex and 94% polyester, and the style is considered A-line. So let me just turn my camera so you guys could see it. So this is how she's looking. So before I go any further, my height, I'm 5'6". I weigh like 170-ish. A little bigger than I want to be right now, but we're working on it. So it comes like with these like kind of like ruched in the front here. So this comes like in a nice pretty orange color, but I like it. It's long, it goes down, and this is attached to like the skirt is attached to this part. So that's how it goes down in the back. So the back is all the way down, and then the front has like a little skirt here, like so. So I'm liking it. I love the fabric. I love how it feels. The material feels really nice and thick. It does not feel cheap at all. So if you're looking for like a nice dress, I know we only have a few more days in the summer, but we can get it for next summer. So that's the first piece. Okay guys, so the next one that I have is this orange dress. It's an halter neck dress. As you can see, the halter neck is here. I just have, I have my bra on, so excuse me if you could see my bra. It's like a jersey material. There's some slight stretch to it. I feel like that I could have gotten a smaller size. I got a large, but it's a little, I feel like it's a little big. So you can get your size or size down one, anywhere from small to extra large. So it's 5% spandex and 95% polyester. So it's kind of like a midi length. All right, so I love the orange mixing with the like white, and there's a nice pretty flower right here. So I like how it's looking. It's very cute. It's very nice and comfortable. The material is not too thin, and I'm really loving the neck. So I mean, I think even when it gets colder, you can put like a little jacket over it. So, you know, if I didn't state, this one is $23.99. So, you know, a reasonable price. You need a nice half bra. So, that's how we're looking. So, let me know what you guys think. I like this one. I like the design at the bottom. And then it comes up white. And then the neck has more orange to it. Very pretty. I love the way it feels. But like I said, I could have probably gone down one size. Okay guys, so the next thing we have is this beautiful yellow blazer jacket, you know, blazer and short set. The blazer I got in a large, the shorts I got in a large. They feel a little tight, but you know, they'll be loose in a few, okay? It ranges from size extra small to extra large, right? So the jacket is $41.99 and the shorts are $24.99. 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So there's a slight stretch. Let me come up closer so you could see it. So there's a color. So I love the fact that the sleeves are pretty long. So, you know, it's almost touching my wrist, which is perfect. You can always push them up, you know, to give it a more edgier look. You can push them up and wear them that way. This is how it's looking in the back. It's a little tightish, but not like where it's suffocating me. And it has the button in the front here. Not like a button, but like a hook. So I'm liking it. I love the fabric. It feels really good. I just ironed it and it was very easy to iron. So I don't have a blazer in this color or pants. So you can always switch it up and put it on with some jeans. Or you can wear the shorts with a different shirt. But I like it. Very cute. Very cute. So collar up close. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. I love this one. And it has like, you know, not real. The pockets are not real, but you don't need pockets right there. If it was in the side, then yeah. So we're looking in this one. Okay guys, so the next thing I have are these pair of jeans. These are called the Daily Denim Regular Fit Plain Jeans. I got them in a size large. Excuse me if you're seeing my shapewear there. These were $39.99 and they run anywhere from small to extra large. They have absolutely no stretch. Okay, so get your size or size up one. The waist is very snug on me. But the length is, it goes all the way down here. I wish it was a little longer. So when I put on heels or boots, then it would look, you know. But they're the material is, they're very thick jeans. The fabric is very good. It has, you know, 2 pockets, and the back has 2 pockets as well. So, you know, I like it. They're very good quality. There's no stretch, like I said, so you would need to get your size or size up one, you know. But once we lose this weight, we'll be fine. So again, I love these jeans. You can wear them with t-shirts, jacket. Even when it's cold, you can wear them with you know, your coat, or wear them with a blazer like this. So I like them. Okay guys, so we have another pair of jeans. These are a lighter wash. These are called the loose plain, just regular fit jeans. It comes in 5 different shades. It has a darker one, it has like I think it has a black and like a grayish looking color. This one is $34.99 and it doesn't have any stretch either. So it has the little distress here and also in the knees. And then on this side it has a distress on the side here, and then a little bit further down here. So this one is a little bit more comfortable than the other one. It's not as tight, but it's a large as well, and I like it. I like the wash. Make my booty look extra flat, but you know, it's okay. I like the wash. I like it with this jacket also. I needed a different shirt, but since I had the jacket on, I didn't want to change, so I just put it on with the jacket. Alright, so I like these jeans. I think my legs are just long, so unless I get like an extra long length, they're gonna fit like this. So, but it's wider at the bottom. So that's the next pair, these jeans. I like the blue. I don't have anything in this shade of blue. So there you have it. I have one more thing to show you guys. Okay guys, so the last thing I have is this pink blouse. It's called the V-neck elegant loosened long sleeve blouse. Alright, so this one is $16.79. I did get mine in a size medium. It comes from sizes extra small to extra large. This does not have any stretch, so it's just polyester, but there's no elastane in there. There's no stretch, so it has a little elastic here at the bottom. All right, so it's very stretchy at the bottom, and the sleeves are, you know, like that. You could push them up if you want, and then this is how the neck is looking. So the neck goes in like that. So this one's cute. This one's comfortable. It could be an all-you-can-eat shirt, like if you're going out and you know you're gonna be eating, you don't have to worry about your stomach sticking out. So I like this one. The material is very nice. The price is very nice. I love this color. I believe they also have this in a green. Also have this in a green color. So this is very pretty. So I enjoy these pieces. Again, I will leave the link of everything that I tried on today down in the comments section. I do have a discount code, would be Brown 18, and I'm gonna make sure I put it across the screen, and that will give you 18% off. All right, again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Stylewe for sending me out these pieces. I hope I made you guys proud, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you guys. Bye.